quick reminder again. What is gauge pressure? Gauge pressure is the pressure shown on the gauge. It is, the reference is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure we have talked about. Gauge pressure की हमने बात कर ली. And what is absolute pressure? Absolute pressure is gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. अगर आपका absolute pressure zero है, that means to say 100% vacuum is there. Again, I am putting it over here. What is vacuum? Vacuum is any pressure below the atmospheric pressure is vacuum. Okay? But कितना vacuum है? That depends. Say, now when I talk about atmospheric pressure, say the atmospheric pressure, now we are in Goa guys. So atmospheric pressure is 1.0 bar. Okay? Gauge pressure, say reads 2 bars. So absolute pressure will be 3 bars. Okay, fine. Now say I have got this another gauge. Now I hope you remember this gauge guys. This was a pressure gauge. It was fitted like this. Matlab, sorry, there is this. This was a pressure gauge and it was like this, where it was like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when the pressure is applied over here, slowly the pressure increases and it is shown over here. In case of a vacuum gauge, now this is called a pressure gauge because it shows pressure. In case of a vacuum gauge, we measure vacuum. So what we do is, now this vacuum gauge is ulta. It starts from here 0, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, minus 1.0. Minus 1.0 means maximum vacuum, 100% vacuum. Why? Because once the gauge pressure becomes minus 1.0 bar and your atmospheric pressure is 1 bar, then your absolute pressure is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 bars. Vacuum, 100% vacuum जो कि आपको स्पेस में मिलता है. ओके? ये सी अगेन एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर, वैक्यूम क्या होता है, गेज प्रेशर क्या होता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू गाइस टू नो. और ये एनपीएसएच में और बाकी सब जगह भी काम आएंगे. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो बिकॉज दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन इंटरव्यू एंड इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन बेसिक्स यू आर गोइंग टू क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू. क्लियर गाइस? सो इसको कहते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ वैक्यूम गेज. सो व्हेन the vacuum shows minus 0.1, say this is 10% vacuum. Minus 0.2, 20% vacuum. Minus 0.3, 30% vacuum. Similarly, minus 1.0 is 100% vacuum. Clear guys? Understood? Now, on the contrary, there is another pressure gauge or a gauge which is called a compound gauge. वो gauge होता है and it is fitted at, now this pressure gauge can be fitted in pumps on the discharge side where if pressure is developed you want to know कितना pressure develop हो गया. This kind of a gauge is fitted on a fresh water generator where you want vacuum to be there. Why? We are going to discuss it later. Okay, clear? But and there is another gauge like, and over here 0 is over here, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 1.0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 say. This is called a compound gauge. Compound gauge is fitted on a pump, normally in a suction side of the pump. Abhi, what do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? When I talk about a compound gauge, it is fitted on a pump suction side. अभी समझ लो, pump समझने में आसानी होगी. Suppose this is a pump over here, okay? And one way is pump is taking suction from this point. Oh, water is over here. आराम से, what easy water is coming. So the pressure is going to be more over here. Yes. Now the same pump is taking a suction from down below. That means this pump will have to lift it, it will have to create a vacuum over here. Okay, so maybe a vacuum gauge is required. But sometimes we have got a tank fitted like this up, but we also have a filter in between. Filter is a mesh jali. हमारे बाथरूम में भी रहते हैं जाली, ताकि all our sometimes our shampoo sachets do not go into the drain and choke it, something like that, so that dirty water should not enter into the pump casing and damage it, right? So this is a filter fitted. Now this is a gauge fitted over here. Now suppose water is coming readily, and if this filter gets choked, completely dirty, the pump will die hard, try to take suction, though the water is ready available, but you will not get water, so it will vacuum over here. Right. So sometimes we put a compound gauge to know, bhaiya, it should be in positive, but it is showing in negative. Oh, the filter has got choked. Clean it, fatafat yaar. We have to clean it. So you understand, guys, where a compound gauge is fitted, where a pressure gauge is fitted, and where a vacuum gauge is fitted. That is clear. Now let's come to another important part. That is role of boiling on pressure, pressure cooker, and some pressure temperature water. We'll talk about it in the next slide. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.